You know the fun don't stop. It's Keniesha's block. Hey neighbors, today I'm giving you guys a tour for Dōmio in New Orleans, and it's so, it's so nice. Do you see the wall though? You see the wall?
Alright, well y'all like the right stairs.
Me too.
Thank you.
So we'll start with the lobby. It was so nice, great for taking pictures. Everything gave off such a jazzy vibe, which is what New Orleans is all about. The walls, the pillows, even the elevator, you guys. The wallpaper in the elevator was all about the history of New Orleans. Historic places, historic people. It's definitely one of a kind. This hotel is located close to Bourbon Street and French Quarter. What's different about this hotel is that the rooms are so unique. The room was so artsy and creative. It had everything I needed. It was basically a studio apartment for real. But let's talk about the walls real quick, okay? This wallpaper listed all the popular streets in New Orleans. The room came with a full-size fridge, y'all. I'm talking full-size, freezer and everything. We pretty much have a full kitchen here. We got the stove, microwave, sink, paper towel, coffee maker, blender, dishes, salt and pepper, toaster, and a kettle. They use so many different colors and shapes in here.
Flat screen on the wall. Okay. That's the bed over there. You got some cool dark wallpaper over here, look like stars, and they say the Dōmio here it lines up. So.
And they had a sound machine. It was so relaxing. The bathroom had marble and was just so cute. And the soap they gave us, you guys, oh my, it smelled so good. I took it home, all of it, okay? Because it just smelled too good. The room also came with a washer and dryer and laundry detergent.
And there's a small closet right over here. Got a couple stuff hanging in there.
Now we're at the top floor. This is where the penthouse suites are. On the top floor is also the pool. And when I tell y'all the views, they were beautiful. Right across there is Caesar's Superdome, which is home of the New Orleans Saints. And the total amount came up to $430.91 for 3 nights. I hope you guys enjoyed this hotel tour. I'll see y'all in the next video.